Hi, guys. Welcome to another live conversation and the most awaited conversation. I have been waiting to have this live for a really long time. So, first of all, I want to thank Poonam for coordinating and making sure that this is happening. And I have the special guest with you today, guys, the author of the book 5ab, and his name is Swastik. And let's get to know him a little bit better. And I can assure you, you're going to enjoy this conversation because every time I have spoken to Swastik, he has left me with inspiration. He has motivated me to keep doing what I'm doing. And he's really awesome. So, Swastik, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I'm Swastik Jain. Uh, I'm 10 years old and uh, I study in Prudence School class 6. Um, I live in New Delhi, Dwarka.
Awesome. And Swastik, I know that 5ab is not your first book. So, what is your first book?
I have many unpublished notes. Here are my unpublished notes.
Wow.
Um, but my first book was The Robotic Planet that my friend Swanik and I wrote together.
Cool. So when 5ab came out, I think you have your copy of 5ab as well. Um, how did it feel to be an internationally published author
Uh,
and bestseller?
well, it was exciting. Being an internationally published author is a great achievement for me.
Awesome. Um, so I know that you and I have spoken in the past as well, Swastik. So tell me, what motivates you? What makes you feel
Uh,
that you want to write?
Reading different books motivates me to write.
I like it. I don't know, guys, if you have noticed or if you haven't got your copy yet, you should get it. But even uh, the book 5ab very clearly says that Swastik is not just a writer, but he's also an amazing reader. He does his due diligence of study, and he has this amazing knowledge when it comes to cars and detailed knowledge about it. And I was really surprised when I spoke to him as well. um Swastik, who is your inspiration? who mo-
Um,
Mhm.
my aunt Poonam Jain is my inspiration.
Super. Would you like to tell us a little bit more about your aunt Poonam?
Uh, she is also an internationally published author.
Mm-hmm.
She has written two books, Purple and Coach Wisdom.
I know. Thank you. And uh, it's really amazing, how we see, how we motivate each other. Like when I saw Swastik's book and when I shared it with my friends, a few friends who are already mothers, I saw that the children were inspired by Swastik and they started writing poems and short snippets of the stories and creating books just like Swastik has created. Let me tell you guys, if you look at this cover, it is exactly what Swastik designed. I wish I had the image that Swastik had drawn with him, but he actually designed everything about this book. This is exactly how he drew it, and we just helped him convert it. But Swastik is really, really creative. So, Swastik, is it uh, who helped you write your writing process? Was it
Uh,
Manti?
my aunt Poonam Jain helped me in writing my book, and Snehal Auntie, my publisher, helped me in publishing the book.
Cool. Um, Swastik, I have an extra question for you. When What is easier for you, writing on your own or uh, having someone guide you was better? What is better?
Writing on my own is better because sometimes I think something else and the other person thinks something else.
Absolutely. I love that. And you know what? That is the power of creativity. Do you want to write more? So I see a few books that you have already written, but do you want to like publish more like physical copies of books?
Yes, I am writing more story. I am writing many stories, and I am focusing on my next book.
Superb. Uh, but how is this situation working? You're currently under lockdown, right? How do you feel about all that?
Um, Actually, I was not happy when the lockdown started because playing with my friends was restricted.
Mm-hmm.
But then I made myself busy with my hobbies. I play tabla, I read books, I have my own library, and I make things from waste like cardboard,
Mm-hmm.
and I also write many stories or comic strips.
Superb. And guys, I think Swastik is a great example for us to start reading and utilizing our time right now. But Swastik, how are schools right now? So is it all online? How are schools working?
Yes, schools are online. Schools are taking online classes,
Mm-hmm.
and it's really good. It's a great and a new experience for us.
Cool. So Swastik, what's your favorite book that you have ever read so far, which you like and you can keep reading again and again?
Gulliver's Travel. From that only I inspire. From that only it inspired me to write my book Fiva.
Yes. Fivab. Sorry, I keep pronouncing it wrong. I'm so sorry for that. Fivab, A Journey to the Unknown. And guys, if you haven't read it, it's definitely a great book. It's a journey about a simple boy who wants to go and see different planets and what he experiences. And the experiences are so detailed. So, Swastik, anything that you want to tell our audience or all our listeners today? Anything, any message you have for us?
Yes, stay home, be safe, do read many books and stories,
Mm-hmm.
and encourage the budding authors. And do read my book Fiva. It's available on Amazon Kindle.
Yes, it's available on Amazon Kindle, guys. An amazing message, Swastik. Yes, guys, it's important that we all stay safe, stay at home because that's the only way we can stay save lives right now and encourage the budding authors. So, Swastik, you are definitely an inspiration to many because it's different to just write a book, but I loved your determination throughout the journey. So, guys, one more thing that I wanted to say is Swastik was one of those authors who was very particular about his vision about the book and what he wanted right from the start. There were so many times we made certain edits to the book and we wanted to change certain things, but Swastik was very sure he did he what he wanted, and he made sure that he was expressive enough to tell us what he wanted, and that's amazing clarity at this age. And I think that's what you said. You're 10, right, Swastik?
Yes,
Yes. So at this age, having that clarity only comes from, I think, amazing, reading skills and how he indulges in himself and takes care of his hobbies and being aware. So, Swastik, thank you for joining us today. And we really wish you luck with the book 5 Ab. And I'm really looking forward to your next books, especially the ones that you have already written. And if you want to put them all together, we can do that. So, guys, thank you for joining us today. And I will catch up with you soon. All of those who have liked our video and loved Swastik, go ahead and follow him on his page. I have tagged him in this video so you can follow him. And he has some amazing stories to tell. So, catch up and connect with him. Thank you, Swastik.
thank you.
Thank you.